Hey, what's up, y'all? Domino here. All right. Welcome to my Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube. Today is my mom's birthday. Happy heavenly birthday to my mom, though. Okay. She was 59 when she passed away, though. Okay. So she should have been 63 this year. She would have been 63 this year. So when I think about it, y'all, she lived a good life. Bought us a candy machine, M&M machine and stuff like that, Nintendo, Sega for my oldest brother and stuff like that, I mean, a M&M machine, gumball machine and stuff like that. I mean, how could she afford all that? I guess she bought all that from Toys R Us, I don't know who all is watching this though, but I know my aunties is watching this, I know they are. So, happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday to ya. Happy heavenly birthday to ya. All right. I wish I would have had my niece to back me up, like Sally Ann used to have Eric Poston to back her up, Okay. So. And Sally Ann Roberts retired from Channel 4, I guess March of 2018, So yeah, My mom enjoyed Sally Ann, though, Yep. I enjoy Miss Sally Ann as well, All right. If Miss Sally Ann was watching this right now, I say, hey, Miss Sally Ann, today's my mom's birthday, Okay. Yeah, my mom enjoyed you, She used to watch you every morning before we went to school, Yeah, before me and my brothers went to school, Well, I mean, yeah, it was fun times. We used to live next door to my auntie Sandra and all that. Yep, we had fun, Yes, indeed. I mean, back in the day, used to have sleepovers and stuff like that, Every Saturday I used to go sleep by my grandmother. Every Friday, I mean, That's when we was living in the St. Bernard project. We moved to the Mirabel apartments and stuff like that. But now it's called the Fillmore Park apartments, The Fillmore Park apartments, yeah, So yeah, so it been called the Fillmore Park Apartments since 1996, My mama bought us a Super Nintendo Christmas of '95 with Donkey Kong Country and stuff like that. Then bought us Donkey Kong Country 3, Dixie Kong's Double Trouble. That's my favorite game, And you know what? I want to tell y'all the reason why my mama bought that game of Christmas in 1996 because of that commercial, Because of that commercial, that's why my mama bought that game. And I kind of wonder how she knew I was going to enjoy that game. That's all I would want to know. I should have asked her a long time ago how she knew we was going to enjoy that, Then used to come to my birthday luncheons and stuff, I'm like, what I ain't like was when she used to get mad at herself, Like I was upset with her because she ain't come to my birthday luncheon, I mean, it wasn't a big deal, Yep. I'm like, I understand how she felt and all that, but, it wasn't a big deal, Okay? Yeah, because, like I said, it's part of life, Okay? I enjoyed myself, honestly, I enjoyed myself at my birthday luncheon, but I wasn't the only kid without a parent. They had a lot of people, with a lot of students, like about 30 children at the school that I think that didn't have parents at their birthday luncheon, It wasn't a big deal, Okay, it sure wasn't a big deal, Okay, but at least she came to my high school graduation. That was good. I wish YouTube would exist. My mama would have watched it. Watched my elementary graduation on television. You know. Yep. So yesterday I wasn't in the best mood and all that and stuff like that. I ain't mean to snap on Shamika. You know. I mean. Yeah. So like I say, she love me. I love her. You know. She my best friend, you know. So, and as a matter of fact, Shamika's birthday is next month, you know. I don't know if I'm gonna make a live stream on Facebook or and eventually on YouTube and wish her that, you know. Okay. So yeah, it's all about my mom today, you know. She would have been 63 this year, okay. She sure would have been 63 this year, you know. All right. Yeah. So. Yep. Happy birthday, Mom. I know you're watching this show in the great beyond. You know. Yep. Doing it big. You know. And ladies and gentlemen, she passed 3 days later. You know, on my oldest brother and my cousin's birthday. My cousin Jessica and my oldest brother. Well, you already know. That's their birthday, you know. And my cousin Ricky and Ryan's birthday was on the 21st. So happy belated birthday to them. And Randy Smith, aka Randy TV, he don't call himself Truth the Gamer no more, you know. So happy belated birthday to them, and happy belated birthday to Kirsten, you know, Kirsten K, you know. It's all about my mom. I'm sorry, you know. All right. So happy birthday, Mama. You know, happy heavenly birthday. You know. I guess it's her 4th birthday in heaven. You know. So April 29th this year, gonna make 4 years that my mama been gone. You know. All right. So that's all I got to say for right now. Thank y'all for watching. All right. God bless.